Being an inventive and special token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's on the horizon for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we think it is a wise venture. Our constant Nexo to USD cost update shows the ongoing Nexo cost as 69 cents USD. According to our Nexo cost forecast, Nexo cost is supposed to have a 5.56% decline and drop as low as by April 3, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 93%, with a trepidation and ravenousness record score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Nexo has had 14 30th green days and 7.19% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $0.72, and Nexo is as of now position No. 96 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Nexo is $405,785,832.59, with a market cap of $560,011,011 Nexo. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Nexo has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 6.75%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Nexo has expanded by 2.91%, adding a huge typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be 94 cents. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.15. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 98 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 57.5% by Nexo value conjecture for February 2023 in view of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 74 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 68 cents and at 76 cents individual. Nexo return for capital invested 5.5% by WAC 2023. Nexo value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Nexo cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 73 cents, while the greatest could reach 80 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 76 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 10.9% by Nexo value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value changes of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal Nexo rate they foresee may be around 79 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 76 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 84 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 16.4% by May 2023. Nexo value figure around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at 82 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 88 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 78 cents in May 2023. Nexo return for money invested 21.9% by Nexo value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Nexo costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 83 cents. The most reduced and top Nexo rates may be 81 cents and 92 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 27.4% by July 2023. Nexo value figure crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around 85 cents. In July 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least 82 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 95 cents in July 2023. Nexo return for capital invested 31.5% by Nexo value gauge for August 2023. Having dissected Nexo costs, digital money specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.01 in August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 85 cents. For August 2023, the determined normal of Nexo is almost 88 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 38.4% by September 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-2023, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 89 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the the Nexo cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 86 cents and $1.04. Nexo return on initial capital investment 42.5% by Nexo value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least 89 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.08. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 92 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 47.9% by November 2023. Nexo value gauge cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.11, with a chance of dropping to at least 91 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 94 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 52.1% by Nexo value conjecture for December 2023 in light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 98 cents in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 94 cents and at $1.15 individually. Nexo return on initial capital investment 57.5% by Nexo value forecast 2024 after the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.40. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.65. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.44 in 2024. Nexo value forecast 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo. In 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.97 and $2.46 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.05. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.90, while its greatest can reach $3.51. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $3. Nexo value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2027, $4.96 and $4.17. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $4.32. Nexo value forecast 2028 crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Nexo. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $6.10. It could drop to at least $5.88. However, it actually could reach $7.21 all through 2028. Nexo value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $8.47 and $10.33 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $8.77